what we need to do is we need to take this drain valve. We're gonna put it in a container. This container was empty, and we're just gonna use it to drain. And then so the valve, to crack that open, I'm just gonna crack this, and you can see the oil drain out. And I'm just gonna keep an eye on it until it gets to the top. Okay, and it's close to the top, and then I'm just gonna shut off this valve. And I'm just gonna hook this back up here. Okay, so we have an issue here. For some reason, this is not draining. I don't know why. We've kind of stuck our hands in there to see if there's anything blocking it. We didn't feel anything. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna crack this valve right here, and just keep an eye on it, because if there's a lot of pressure, it's gonna shoot out. So I made that mistake, but I'm experimenting right now to see how this will drain. And the oil's rising, I can see it rise, so I know it's not working. So I'm just gonna release this valve to drain the air. Okay, I drained the air out. Let's see if this works. So I'm gonna open this valve, and I'll keep an eye on it. And it is not draining. So I'm wondering, I'm gonna shut off this valve. Maybe I gotta shut off this valve. Okay, I shut off the air valve. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. Now we're gonna open this up. That didn't work. Let me see if I crack this valve. Okay, I cracked that valve on the bottom. Now I'm gonna open up this valve. Still not working. Close that valve off. Maybe adjusting this.
It's going down.
Oh, there you go, guys. So by opening this up, I don't know, maybe someone can comment on why that's doing that. I don't know the background on how that works, but there you go, guys. Good. Okay, guys, what I did was I cracked this valve open. I actually helped it drain more. So this thing is really full. So hope that tip will help someone to figure out why their pan isn't draining. Thanks for watching, guys, and leave a comment in the description below.